Hello, boys and girls. Brother Michael here. Sorry we haven't had a King's Kids, but Mr. Baldy and his friends and Miss Sharon are going to help you learn the memory verse. So I hope you enjoy. Hello, kids. How are you today?
Oh, hi, Mr. Baldy. We're kind of bored.
I don't see any bored.
Mr. Baldy, we don't have boards. We're bored. Like, we have nothing to do.
Oh, I can get you a hammer and nails.
Mr. Baldy, not like that. Like, we can't go to school or to King's Kids.
Oh, what are you doing, King's Kids?
We sing songs and...
Oh, like Ave Maria.
Mr. Baldy, not songs like that. Songs like kids' songs.
Oh, old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Mr. Baldy, not like that. Like, no, you can't get to heaven without S-A-L-V-A-T-I-O-N. No,
What else do you do?
we say the memory verse.
Oh, I know a memory verse.
Do you remember the memory verse?
Well, I wrote it down over here, so I do remember it.
Oh.
It's John 14:6. Let's repeat it after me.
Okay.
John 14:6.
John 14:6.
Jesus saith unto him,
Jesus saith unto him,
I am the way.
I am the way. Mr. Baldy,
Yes,
the way to what?
the way to God.
Oh.
Moving on, the truth.
The truth?
That means Jesus never lies.
I don't lie either. I've never told a lie. Yes, you do. I heard you say one yesterday. No.
Hey, let's keep moving on.
Oh.
And the life.
And the life.
That means Jesus gives us everlasting life.
Oh.
Okay? No man
No man
cometh unto the Father
cometh unto the Father
but by me.
but by me.
Very good.
Mr. Baldy,
Yes.
by you?
No, by Jesus.
Didn't you know that? It says Jesus at the beginning.
Yep, let's try it again. John 14:6.
John 14:6.
Jesus saith unto him,
Jesus saith unto him,
I am the way,
I am the way,
the truth,
the truth,
and the life.
and the life.
No man
No man
cometh unto the Father
cometh unto the Father
but by me.
but by me. Mr. Baldy,
Yes, Sally?
I think I can say it by myself.
Okay, let's hear it. John 14:6.
John 14:6.
Jesus saith unto him,
Oh yes. Jesus saith unto Father.
But by me.
But by me. I did it! Yay! No, you didn't. He helped you. Mr. Baldy, I could say it by myself, I think.
You can, Jimmy? Well, let's hear it.
John 14:6. Jesus saith unto him, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No man cometh unto the Father but by me. John 14:6. I did it.
Very good.
Mr. Baldy,
Yes.
can you say it by yourself?
Well, let's see. Okay. John 14:6. Jesus saith unto him, I am the way, the truth, and the life bulb.
Mr. Baldy, that's not right. It's
Oh.
not light bulb, it's life.
Oh, life?
You need to practice for next week, I think.
Yeah. I guess I will have to try next time. Well, we'll see you next week.
Okay.
See you,
Mr.
kids.
Baldy. Bye, Mr. Baldy.
Bye. I gotta get this next time. See you later. Bye.